Hi. I have created an indicator called Complete Bollinger Trend Candle System. It is based on the Bollinger Bars indicator made by TradingView itself. First of all, this is what the Bollinger Bars indicator looks like. It has two types of candles drawn on the chart. One is the main candle, which is colored in green and red. And the other is the back candle, which is colored blue. The back candle, which is colored in blue, is drawn from the high point of a candle to its low point. Whereas, the main candle, which is either green or red in color, is drawn on the candle body. Candle body means the distance between the open and close values of a candle. Okay. So I thought of adding many more things to the indicator and created this Complete Bollinger Trend Candle System. At first, it looks exactly like the original Bollinger Bars indicator. But now, see the input panel. We have so many options here. First of all, since all of this is based on the Bollinger Bands, we have an option to draw the Bollinger Bands on the chart. See. We have options to modify the inputs and colors of the Bollinger Bands. Near each option, you shall see a tooltip. This tooltip tells us what this option is for. The second option is called Color based on Bollinger Bands. If we see its tooltip, it says that colors the main candle according to their position relative to the Bollinger Bands. Strong bull, bull, neutral, bear, and strong bear states are shown with different colors. So basically, this option colors the main candle as per its position relative to the Bollinger Bands. The main candle means this green and red part. This is how it looks. We color the main candle in 4 different colors: green, purple, red, and orange, depending on where the candle closes. Okay, so the logic here is as follows. If a candle closes above the green Bollinger Band, then we color the main candle in green. And we call it strong bull. If a candle closes above the white Bollinger Band but below the green one, then we color the main candle in purple. And we call it weak bull. It is bullish, but weak bullish. Similarly, if a candle closes below the red Bollinger Band, then we color the main candle in red. And we call it strong bear. And if a candle closes below the white Bollinger Band, but above the red one, then we color the main candle in orange. And we call it weak bear. It is bearish, but weak bearish. The option to change these colors is given here. Now, the next one. It is called trend strength. Let's see what the tooltip says. It says, colors the back candle using the slope of the Bollinger basis. Helps visualize trend direction and strength. So here, we are going to use the middle band of the Bollinger Bands, which is white in color. And we are going to work on the back candle. Remember, the back candle means this blue part of the candle. So this is how this option works. First, we calculate the slope of this white line. At any given candle, we calculate the difference in the values of this white line. We take the difference between the value at the current candle and the value at the 5th last candle. But why the 5th candle? There is no hard and fast rule here. You may modify this candle number from the inputs. The default value is 5. So we calculate the slope of the white Bollinger Band at various candles. And then, we compare this slope with a certain ATR value and derive whether the white Bollinger Band's trend strength is bullish or bearish. Again, here we have 4 types. Strong bullish, weak bullish, strong bearish, and weak bearish. See, this is what the output looks like. The green back candle means the trend strength is strongly bullish. The purple back candle means the trend strength is weakly bullish. The red back candle means the trend strength is strongly bearish. The orange back candle means the trend strength is weakly bearish. You may change these colors from the inputs given here. Okay. The next feature is called Powerful BB Signals. Let's see what the tooltip says. It says, shows breakout signals when price closes outside a Bollinger Band after previously being inside it. When I turn this option on, we see such green and red triangles on a few candles. The logic is that, if a candle freshly breakouts the green Bollinger Band, then it could be termed as a powerful bullish signal. And here we place a green triangle below that candle. Similarly, if a candle freshly breakouts the red Bollinger Band, then it could be termed as a powerful bearish signal. And here we place a red triangle above that candle. You may change the triangle colors from the inputs here. OK. The next feature is called Show Heatmap. The tooltip says, highlights the chart background based on how far the price is from the Bollinger basis. Stronger deviations produce stronger colors. This is what it looks like. This shows a colorful heat map on the chart. This feature is based on the middle white Bollinger Band. We calculate the distance of a candle from the white Bollinger Band, and we derive the background color accordingly. If the price closes above the band, then it is green, otherwise, it is red. Not only that, if a candle is far away from the white line, then the color of the heat map is darker. And if the candle is closer to the white line, then the color of the heat map is fainter. OK, the next and the last feature is Show Mean Reversion. The tooltip says, shows potential reversal signals when price briefly moves outside a Bollinger Band and then closes back inside it. This is how it looks. We see green and red dots on a few candles. The logic is that if a candle went above the green Bollinger Band, but it failed to close above it, that means the price does not have the strength to carry itself above the green Bollinger Band, and it may soon reverse in the downward direction. It is called bullish mean reversion. And here we show a red dot above the candle. Similarly, if a candle went below the red Bollinger Band, but it failed to close below it, that means the price does not have the strength to carry itself below the red Bollinger Band, and it may soon reverse in the upward direction. It is called bearish mean reversion. And here we show a green dot below the candle. So that's it. This is how the complete Bollinger Trend Candle System indicator works. I'm not going to show you the entire code here because that may make this video much longer. Instead, I have given the code download link in the description box under this video. You may download it and change it as you want. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.